What's up, everybody? We're back, and today we're gonna be doing the spicy noodle challenge. We have boiled and make our noodles, so we're just gonna take them. I'm Joshua. Alright, here we have our noodles.
But I'm kind of scared to eat.
If you like,
When I start to eat. Oh gosh.
so please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and
Subscribe. Hit the bell.
And
the bell.
that's it.
Yeah.
Click the subscribe button. It's right
And
there.
like down below. Comment down below. Comment down below.
Would you like spicy or sweet?
Spicy or sweet?
So let's get started. So we're gonna do it. Wait, emergency! This is my own. So Joshua's gonna drink water.
I'm kind of scared to do it. I'm gonna open. It just looks.
Right. 3.
I'm gonna get a big spoon.
Don't eat that.
Scared. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, 3, 2, 1.
I don't need water.
It's good.
Oh, I need water. My mouth is on fire.
I'm gonna start. Okay. Another spoon. Oh, my mouth is, my eyes are starting to get watery.
My tongue is on fire. 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 My tongue is on fire.
It's so spicy.
My tongue is on fire. Oh, it's burning my mouth. It's burning my mouth. It's burning my mouth. It's pain. It's super pain. I can't use it. Super pain.
Almost finished it.
I can't eat anymore. So spicy. I need milk.
All done. I think that I'm on fire. And also, comment down below which challenge you want us to do next.
Oh, it's so spicy. I just need milk. I just drink milk. I gotta eat a milk. Spicy.
No, don't eat it more. No, there's nothing. No, there's no left. I think I'm gonna die.
My mouth just has fire. My mouth is on fire. My mouth is pain.
It's burning. What should I do?
That was delicious.
Delicious but spicy at the same time. Okay.
I my mouth is so hot. It burned my mouth so hot.
I drink too many water. I'm all full. And
I don't want
I think I got fire.
Do we have more?
No, it's way too spicy. Even if I look at my eyes start to water.
Oh,
What shall we do?
careful. It's so big.
Why did I ever accept your challenge? This is his idea, you know.
I don't like.
This is so spicy. 4 kids.
You gotta eat this, Preppy.
No. We could give my sister. She wants it. She likes spicy stuff very much. She don't even think this is spicy. She thinks that this is. Hey, that's disgusting.
So hot. My mouth is on fire. I need milk. I need milk.
We don't need milk.
It's
Just think that's not spicy.
It's pain.
And literally, my lips are burning.
Me too.
I mean, the outline of the lips is really.
This is burning. I need something to eat.
And get the jelly beans. You have to give me one. It's not that spicy right now, but I still want to eat something sweet. I really like chili stuff. Spicy stuff, hot stuff, burning inside my stomach.
My stomach is feeling good now.
I still want to eat it. It's so good, but it's so spicy.
Eat it then.
No, we're gonna give my sister, I said.
You said you want to eat it
So if you
again.
want me to do a sketchbook tour, then please give this video a big thumbs up, as we always say. I have like 10
My mouth is
sketch-
on fire so bad.
I have like 10 sketchbooks, so yeah. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see that.
My mouth is on fire. My mouth is on fire. It's pain. Chocolate roll. Chocolate roll. It's a
So I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, so spicy.
My mouth is on fire.